Hello everybody and welcome to this channel. Today I want to present to you this software I've been using, and it has helped me a lot to make my business to the next level. And this system is called ClickFunnels. With ClickFunnels, I've been able to generate many leads and make many sales with it. The business I do, I am an affiliate marketer, and I do collect emails in this type when I promote other people's products. I first of all build a funnel called opt-in funnel, where I collect emails first before I send people to the products or services that I want to refer. And this way I have been able to generate so many leads with that. If you don't know what leads is when you collect emails from people to make them and give them something in exchange. These leads are what you are going to follow up at the end time. After, if they don't buy at least what you are offering them, at the end of the day you can still call them and you can still email them and try to promote some other product to them. So let's dive in this system to show you what they have. With ClickFunnels you can build funnels. You can build 6 funnels, you can build a landing page or webinar with them. And yeah, like I say, I will leave in the description below a link to ClickFunnels. They have 14 days trial, like you can see here. They have 14 days trial. You can try it. I strongly recommend it. It's a very good system, software. So it's made for everybody. You can even you can also use it for affiliate marketing. You can also use it for business, for your e-commerce business. It's very good. And in the description below I will leave also a funnel, a help team funnel to make you get started and start generating leads, like how you can see here. Yeah, this is what I've been doing, and with this lead I've converted many leads to sales. It's just generate me enough money that I'm living good with that. I'm satisfied with that for now. And yeah, in my next videos I'll be making videos about how you can use ClickFunnels, what you can use to do, how to build an opt-in page. Yeah, I'm gonna make a short video on that in my next videos. If you would like me to make that kind of video, you can leave a comment below. And yeah, I would say this is all about just all about ClickFunnels. As you can see, you can like I say, yeah, you can promote it. After building your funnel, you need to promote it on the internet. And yeah, we also, let me just give a little brief about how you can promote it. You can, yeah, there's either these 2 ways of promoting website, because when you build a funnel by them, you will have a website. This website will be attached to a funnel. Is what you're gonna promote. I'm going to put this, the link you're going to put in your promotion. Either you make a paid promotion or a free promotion. I mean, paid ad or free ad. And in my own experience, paid ads work so effectively for me, and I will strongly recommend that to you also. And in my next videos, I'll be showing you the best way of yeah, my best free ads that have also worked good for me. And yeah, this is all about what I want to say for now. Thank you very much. And if you've noticed, my channel is most about how to make money online, and I'll be creating much content about these topics every week. So if you are new to our channel and you've not, you can subscribe and hit the like button, and also hit the bell button so you can get informed every time when we upload videos like this. Thank you very much. Bye.